This video reviews the feed analysis report. Within any feed template, you'll see Analysis Report on the left side menu. Let's walk through it here in my test store's Google Shopping feed. Clicking Analysis Report will generate an on-demand report of your feed's compilation and submission feedback from GoDataFeed's proprietary data validation engine, as well as any feedback we receive from the channel concerning your data. The report is designed to offer a quick audit of your ongoing feed strategy and help you define next steps in optimizing, as well as resolving warnings or errors that could be impacting product performance. Depending on the channel the analysis report is generated for, it will contain information specific to the type of feed and the channel. Each section will have a brief description of the information below it. So the first section in the analysis report for my Google Shopping feed is the validation history, showing the total number of SKUs submitted and compiled, as well as the errors, warnings, and optimizations over a range of dates within the last 30 days. Moving down is the validation summary. The validation summary is powered by GoDataFeed's validation engine, which runs pre-submission data checks against the receiving channel's feed specifications to help you mitigate common feed issues. Every validation message is listed here, as well as the number and percentage of SKUs affected per message. Lastly, here the validation details section breaks down each validation message from the summary above. Each message displays the feed field affected, the type of message, an explanation of channel specifications, 3 example SKUs and their affected data, available links to channel resources, and recommendations for resolution. Now let's go back to the top to review 2 more features. You can analyze any SKU in your feed by entering it in the search bar in the top left corner like this. GoDataFeed AI will generate recommendations for title, keywords, and description, and provide SEO recommendations and validation analysis for the SKU. You can also view any SKU from the Feed Products table and use this report shortcut to run the AI analysis for the SKU you are viewing. Because the feed analysis report is generated on demand, we've added an option to save the report as a PDF so you can easily share it with other members of your team. Simply click the Print button here in the top right-hand corner of the report. Be sure to check out more of our feature videos in our Help Center or contact us if you have any questions.